Okay, good evening, all of you.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, are you ready? Okay, you join. After 1 or 2 minutes, I will start the class. So, group discussion. First one is your group discussion. Can anyone say me what are the basic rules of a group discussion? What do you mean by group discussion?
Ma'am, first of all, we shouldn't make group discussion a fish market.
Please be louder.
In a group discussion, first of all, we have to take care of ourselves, what we are speaking, of our language,
Yeah, very good.
and we shouldn't make it like a fish market.
Okay, and next.
And we have to speak only after one finishes his opinion or his point.
Okay, and anything else? Anyone else?
Group discussion is about for the motion, and one group will speak about against the motion.
Okay, next.
And at last we have to conclude it by saying conclusion.
Yeah, very good. We have to end those things with a conclusion without any question mark. Now, what are the basic rules of a group discussion? How many participants will be there in a group discussion? Hello? How many participants should be there in a group discussion?
Ma'am, participants doesn't matter, but it depends upon two parts. One group will speak about for the motion, and other group will speak about against the motion.
It is a debate. It is a debate. It is a debate. A group discussion and a debate differs many ways. How you can say it? How you can differentiate a group discussion and a debate?
In a group discussion, every member should have a proper conversation in a topic.
Yeah. Next. I am giving you 1 minute. Just 1 minute I am giving you. The topic I have already shared with you. Please, you people, say 2 points on that topic. Just you have to say 2 lines on that topic. What
Topic, ma'am?
and your friends will justify you, are you correct or not. After completing your 2 sentences, I will ask the friends to justify them. Is it correct? Is it a proper group discussion or it is not a group discussion? Is your point is okay for a group discussion or not? Okay, I'm just giving you 1 minute. At 4:06, I will be coming back to you and ask each one of you. Please write it down. Okay, just 1 minute time.
Ma'am, what is topic? Please repeat again. I am not getting.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
What you asked?
Ma'am, please topic name.
Topic
What is
I have
topic
already
name, ma'am?
shared in the group. The same topic. Social media is a curse or boon? Social media is a curse or boon? That's the topic. Who has already prepared, he or she can just say. Who have already prepared, he or she can say me.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to express my views on the topic social media, a curse or a boon. I can't say that social media is having only advantages.
Please
It
little bit
also
louder,
has.
Srishti.
Okay, ma'am. Social media has both advantages and disadvantages. Social media is a boon for human civilization because it has brought the whole world together at one place where individuals can share their views and opinions. Also, in this lockdown situation, there are numerous benefits for the students as it allows students to exchange notes and lessons, and even online classes are also going on. But on the other hand, this social media is also having some bad impacts on the students as they are used to spend their excess time on social media like Insta, WhatsApp, etc., which takes away their play and study time. Also, some are using social media as a platform to manipulate people by spreading hate speech and fake news, which orient individuals' thoughts and opinions on numerous matters in a negative direction. This may create a scenario of conflict and violence, which is not good. In my concluding lines, I want to say that social media has been created for our benefit, but it depends on how we use them, whether to improve ourselves or to degrade. Thank you.
So, are you satisfied with Srishti's opinions?
Yes, ma'am. Totally agree.
Anyone who is disagree with Srishti his views, he or she can just raise his hand and speak. Now, someone is telling that a group discussion is of two types. This one have to be agree and another don't have to be agree. That part is somehow it is a kind, I will say, debate. So by the word group discussion, what does this discussion means? What do you mean by this word discussion? Discussion का मतलब क्या होता है? First tutor. Because every Monday at 9 a.m. you will be having a group discussion class. And I will give the topic, you all have to prepare 5 points. That's it. Can anyone say, can anyone define the meaning of a discussion? What is a discussion? When I discuss something, that means I am trying to get your ideas, your opinions. I'm discussing those things in a group.
Ma'am, we can know good or bad. What are the topics that we know?
Please be louder. I don't know my laptop volume. Please be louder, you people. Please repeat the question. What you have asked, please repeat it.
Ma'am, we can know about that. What is good, what is bad, that things. So
क्या इंग्लिश में
can-
लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? I am not getting clear which type of English you are saying. If you are not about to clear speak in English properly, please ask the question in Hindi again then. Because I am not getting your question. And in this 40 minutes class, if I will ask repeating continuously your questions, then when I will say and when I will discuss. So please be clear with your questions. Ask your questions clearly. जो पूछना है
मैम उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं मतलब मैम जैसे कि डिस्कस कर मतलब किसी भी चीज को के बारे में हम जान सकते हैं कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है उसके बारे में मतलब पता लगा सकते हैं
ओपिनियन ले सकते वही तो हम बोल रहे we can take the opinions from others, we can take the ideas from others. डिस्कशन वही हो रहा है और डिबेट में क्या होता है this is one type of contest that who will win, whose arguments points are solid, whose argument will be the solid, that individual or that team will win. Group discussion don't have any kind of opponents. Group discussion में आपको कोई भी conclusion नहीं देना पड़ता है. You don't have to give any kind of conclusion in a group discussion. But you can't leave the group discussion in a question mark. You always have to conclude the group discussion by saying that you are now concluding your points of views. You can't stop that group discussion just by giving a question mark question to your audience or to your friends. And these are formal types of debates. One thing we can say, a group discussion is a formal types of debates where each participant or each group members are free to share their knowledge, information, opinions, experiences, their research, anything they have searched for according to their analysis, they can share. Now, something is there, some things you have to set for a group discussion. There are certain rules you have to follow for a group discussion. The rules are that when any of one is speaking, don't interrupt in between when he or she is speaking. After completing, you can say that I am not satisfied with this, I can go, or either you can say, no, this is not, I am not highly, because this is an example. You can always have to give a what I should say, argument. Your argument point should be very strong when you want to cut somebody's point. Now, in a group discussion, your point should be very clear like a flute, and you cannot move from the topic. You cannot go here and there to any other topics. You have to stay on, you have to give your focus on that topic, particular topic which is being provided to you. And if you want to make your group discussion more impressive, you have to set some sets of examples as Srishti has given about this online mode of education now, which is being going on through, how this social media and all those things plays an important role. She definitely supports this one with a very good example. I just really like this one. And the next another part is that always remember a group discussion is not to win. It is about to learn, to acquire some knowledge. Okay. Now I am coming to you people one by one. Each one of you have to give me 2 opinions about yourself. First one, Srishti has already told. I am noting down the names who have already told. Okay, Srishti. Next, Aniket. Aniket. Muskan Dubey. Who are not responding me after 2 calls, I will just simply remove you people. Remember that one. I'm repeating the names one by one. If you will not respond, I will definitely remove you peoples. Aniket Kumar. Raj. Aniket Kumar Raj. Those who willing, they will not speak, they can move out from the class. There is no need to stay unnecessary. I have to repeat the name and the wastage of my time. Vanshas Dhanuka.
Hello. Hello.
Vanshaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to speak about the topic internet, social media is.
Vanshaj, are you able to hear me or not?
Yes.
Okay, then please speak.
Yes.
Please speak louder.
Good evening, everyone.
You are not audible.
Good evening, everyone.
You are not audible. Saroj Kumar.
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am. Social networking is the best use of social media platform for connectivity with friends, family, colleges, customer, or client. The use can be for personal purpose or business purpose, and as a mixture of both. It become an easy source to promote education, and also student can follow educator on social media and platform. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone want to cut the point of Saroj? Ranu Chandra.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I want to discuss about the topic social network is a curse or a boon. As the coin has 2 points. Similarly, this topic also has 2 points. Social networking is becoming our life more advanced and more easier. Its advantage is that it helps us to communicate through from different places, people from different places and in a very short period, we can communicate through each other and we can transfer our documents as well as whatever feelings we want to share. Moreover, it has some bad effects also, as most of the time, all these students use this social media for their time pass. They do not focus on their studies, and it is harming their future. So I would like to conclude by saying that it has some good effects as well as some bad effects.
Okay. Any one of you want to cut the points of Ranu? No. Shubham Kumar. Shubham Kumar Mahato. Okay, he has moved on. Abdul Kalam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Social media has both pros and cons, but if we use it widely, it will be very advantageous for us. For example, we can make connection with the people of our niche, and we can also share information. And the second thing is that we will be updated with the latest news and information around the world. And also we can build career in social media marketing, digital marketing, and many other things. Plus, social media is also a source of entertainment. If we get bored sometime, we can use social media and get some relief.
What type of relief you get?
Ma'am, sometime if we get very bored,
Okay, then
then by listening to a song or watching some videos, our brain refresh.
your brain refresh.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what you can say, that social media is a curse or boon?
Ma'am, mostly it is a boon for us if we use it wisely.
Okay, Abdul. Very good. Next, Deepak.
Hello.
Yeah.
For me, social media is a boon as we can reach a large number of audience with our thoughts and we can receive their thoughts also. And second point is we can express our talents and performance in a wide media.
Okay. Anything else? Deepak?
That's it, ma'am.
That's it. Okay. Shubhasini has already told. Shubhasini, you have told, na?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Shubhasini then.
Good evening. Today I'm going to speak on the topic social media, curse or boon. Access to internet has opened vast field of knowledge to us. Social media is the latest boon of science to the modern youth. It has broadened the frontiers of knowledge, opened up a new world of discovery, and provided opportunities of employment. However, some cases have come to light where criminals and unscrupulous elements have misused the social media for their selfish, nefarious ends. Many people forward wrong information, which are sometimes dangerous to us. We all have a fair idea of the pros and cons of social media. In my views, it is more a boon for all of us, especially during the time of pandemic. It turned out to be the strongest tie in between us. We can easily keep in touch with our friends and family. Without talking much, we can know what's going on in everyone's life. It has increases the employment opportunities as well. Like LinkedIn provides broad field for job opportunities, we can easily access to many companies in anywhere in the world. Many portals have been developed which are helping students to helping students to solve their doubts and learn new things. If we could become more disciplined as people and less mean spirited by thinking about a few simple lessons and rules about using social media, it will create a positive atmosphere around the world. Whether social media is a boon or a curse to the society depends on how we use it. Thank you.
Okay. Now, Aniket Kumar Rajak, still now you are not getting my voice, or you are getting my voice, because before that I put you in a waiting room. Now I have re-entered you. So will you unmute yourself or not? Aniket Kumar. Otherwise, I will report to the HOD sir about you. And I will take your report about the other classes, what you are doing. Aniket Kumar. I think he definitely not, so I have to remove him. Next. Muskan. Muskan Gupta.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
And good evening, all of you. Communication between the family and friends who is staying across the world have increased because the social media free calling, message, and other things. Now the people are able to their childhood friend connect between them.
Please be louder, Muskan. Please use a headphone.
People have lost of friend in online media, some of whom they might have never meet the real life, that is strangers, which in turn may be treat to some. That's it, ma'am.
Please repeat your opinions. I am not getting you properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Please repeat. I think you are not well.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please repeat.
Okay, ma'am. Communication between the family and friends who are staying across the world have increased because of social media's free messaging and calling. Now the people are able to their find childhood friends connect between them. And people have lots of friends. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, speak.
People have lots of friends in online media, some of whom they might have never met in real life, that is strangers, which in turn may be treat to someone's. That's it, ma'am.
Anyone who want to say something? What Muskan has told? No one. Okay. Now, Satish Gupta.
Hello, ma'am.
Satish Gupta.
Hello, ma'am.
Please
Hello.
be louder, Satish. Use your headphone.
Hello, ma'am. I use headphone.
Huh?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, but very low your voice.
Hello. No,
Yeah,
not
please
proper.
say.
Good evening, everyone. As we know, our topic is social media is a curse or a boon. This is purely matter of opinion that social media is a curse or boon. The boon, as many of as most of us say that the boon or a curse, the social media is a boon or curse. Its aspects comes in the based of how we use it. So, but I think it's overall a curse, It causes a rise in depression through constant comparisons we make in our minds or our life to the life of other based on what they post on their social media. Of course, people only post the positive aspects and perfectly posed shots, so things appear to be perfect. It's been a catalyst in spreading false information and narratives. Um, if someone not using Facebook, then they say, so you are not in Facebook. Why? Are you not
No,
socializable?
these type of
What-
things are not in group discussion. I need the points. I don't need this type of unless useless type of examples. Please
Another
give me the
narrative
direct
feature,
points.
ma'am, another narrative feature of social media is that it is responsible for a short attention span of people. The moment notification light or tone pop-ups, the attention to details in overlooked. The era of waiting for climax to set is in the novel or movie has been wiped out by instant reviews and rating available on social networking sites. The warmth of the relationship or friendship is weighed in the responsive on social media, and the enthusiasm in a vacation has been smoothed by such pop-ups, thus introducing every aspects of our life. So overall, it's just a curse.
Okay. Now, G Rangu. Who is this G Rangu? G Rangu, unmute yourself. Okay. So he has moved. I don't know who was this nonsense. Now, Jishan Ahmed.
Yes, hello, madam.
Yeah. Jishan.
Social, am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are audible, Jishan.
Social media is a boom and curse both. Depend on how we use the social media. If you use to spread knowledge and photos to communicate our family member, friends who live in abroad or away from you, it's a boom. But if you use in negative way to spread a fake news or a memes or a to downgrade a person, it is a curse. Hello.
Okay, Jishan. Next. After Jishan, Manish Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Manish Kumar, yeah.
Ma'am, social media help us to know what are being in the world. In COVID pandemic situation, social media also help students to continue our study. Many people are earning
Please
by
don't
social media.
repeat. Please, if you have any new points, please say those things. Please don't repeat the points. That's why I've told two points each one of you prepare. Any one point that your friends have not told, please add those things.
New point.
Because the help of the social media, we are getting we are getting the true news or the fake news.
Yes,
Everything
ma'am.
is getting to the citizens of India. Where all things are happening. What is the truth behind the news? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Manish. Okay, Yash.
Okay.
Yash Kumar. Yash Kumar Shahu. Adi, these people must have slept. Yash Kumar Shahu. Yash Kumar Shahu. Utja beta. Okay, then sleep properly. Next. Anyone left from here? I think all have told. Is there anyone? Was not told? Deepak has also told. Yeah. So, Now tell me, who was the best among you? Who will say who is the best? Whose opinions are best? Yash Kumar Sahu belongs to the electrical group. Okay. I have noted down some of the names, students' names. And I will definitely ask what was the report of those students of other branch, because this time you are having English as a main subject. You are having 100 marks. And the 30 marks are from my side, college side. The 30 marks is there. And your attendance will definitely matters. If I give you one number in the attendance and your attendance is below 75 in this online mode also, then you will be back for this paper. You will just have to sit quietly for this paper. Because I have the proof of ratings and all these screenshots, because attending before or just starting in between you are attending, you are not participating in any class activities. That doesn't mean why you are attending the class and all. Okay, these 13 people are lastly with me. Okay. Vanshish, can you?
Okay.
Yeah,
Hello,
now
ma'am.
you're audible,
Is that good evening, everyone. I am going to speak about the topic social media is curse to the society, because the serious problem of social media is that it easily spread misinformation about anything which affect our decision making process. For example, during the election, there was many misinformation spread about different politicians, and it affect the election. And I would also said that anything in internet, people think it's truth without checking it, without cross checking it. Cross checking is almost nil about it. So it is very dangerous for children, because they believe in everything which has been put up on social media without cross anything. Thank you.
Okay. Now for the next class, right now I am giving you the topic. Okay. So that you people will not face anything. Your next topic is New India 2022. New India 2022. Okay. You can see in the chat box. Are you people to see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
New India 2022. Are you able to see in the chat box? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We can see.
This is the next topic for your group discussion. Okay. You have to prepare three points on that thing, on that topic. And next one is that when you will prepare, please see the language. Enough time is there. On next Monday at 9 o'clock in the morning, you will be having your class. I hope that you all have got the routine with you people. So please prepare on this topic. 3 points you have to make, but the point should be very effective. You can also mention that what the last 2020 and 2021, which types of problem we are facing, and how we are willing to overcome from those crises and all those things. All those things you have to mention. Okay. In New India 2022. You know the rules and regulations. You have enough time with you. So please prepare on the topic. And on next coming Monday, we will meet again 9 o'clock. Okay. Okay. Thank you, all of you. Your attendance is being marked.
Okay.
Yeah. Your attendance
Thank you,
is
ma'am.
marked with me. Okay. Thank you.
हेलो मैम हेलो
Yeah, Jishan.
मतलब न्यू इंडिया के बारे में लिखना है कि अपना विचार से न्यू इंडिया कैसा होना चाहिए मैडम
हाँ, you can criticize. You can मतलब आप अपना विचार देना है कैसा होना चाहिए.